In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Google Sheets on Simple Tutorial 2025, 5 minutes. We're going to connect an Asana project to Google Sheets so your tasks can flow into a spreadsheet you can filter, chart, and share. Start by signing into Asana. On the login page, enter your email, continue, add your password, and log in. Once you land on your Asana home, open the project you want to sync to a sheet. It's best to pick a project where you have at least edit access so the integration can pull all the fields you expect. Inside the project, look toward the top right and open the Customize panel. In Customize, switch to the Apps section, select Add, choose Google Sheets, and then open the Learn More option. This takes you to details about the integration. From there, follow the install path to get the official Google Sheets add-on for Asana. If you see a help page, scroll to the Getting Started area and use the link provided to reach the Google Workspace Marketplace listing. In the Marketplace, click Install. When Google asks for permission, pick the Google account you use for Sheets, continue, and allow the requested access. When the installer confirms you're done, close it out. Now open Google Sheets. You can use the Google Apps menu to launch Sheets, then create a new spreadsheet or open one where you want the data. In the spreadsheet, go to the top menu, click Extensions, find Asana Exports, and choose Sync with Asana. The add-on will open a sidebar and guide you through the connection. You'll be prompted to choose what to bring in, projects or portfolios, so select the same Asana project you picked earlier. The tool builds a table with your tasks and common fields, like task name, assignee, status, and due date. A few tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're signed into the correct Asana workspace and the correct Google account before you start. Avoid editing or deleting the header row the add-on creates, because it uses those headers to map fields during future syncs. If you want to change which fields appear, do that in Asana first, then run the sync again so the sheet picks up the new columns. For large projects, the first pull can take a moment. Let it finish before making changes. That's it. You've installed the add-on, connected Asana to Google Sheets, and run your first sync. Now you can analyze your projects with filters, pivot tables, and charts powered by live Asana data.